This video will show you how to put the video into a Google Slide presentation. So after you upload a video using your computer anyway, you're going to get your video link multiple times. You could get it here and just hit copy. You're going to get it here and you can copy it. The other way that you can get that link is right here. You can click on options and then get shareable link. Okay, so multiple ways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that shareable link. And then now I'm going to go to my Google Slideshow. And in my Google Slideshow, I'm going to click Insert Video. Once I do that, I have the URL. So I'm going to right-click and paste that in there. There's my video, select. And then now I can resize that, put it any place I want on my video or on my slideshow and resize it, all that kind of fun stuff. All right, so that's how you insert a video from YouTube.